Good morning everyone. Myself Srushti Pramuttipe. I am studying in grade 9. Today I am here to tell you day and date. Today's day is Saturday. Today's date is 26 July 2025. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sai Pandare. I am from class 9th. Every Saturday we observe Mindfulness Saturday. On behalf of it, I am going to share a thought with you. Live for something rather than die for nothing. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shraddha from grade 9th.
This is Ganesh Sharma from grade 9.
My name is Harshada studying in grade 9th.
My name is Prathamesh Khade from grade 9.
We will telling today's importance of the day. Today is Kargil Vijay Diwas. A Kargil Vijay Diwas commemorates India's victory in Kargil War in 1999. The day honors the sacrifice of Indian soldiers.
Why did Kargil War happen? Pakistan's intrusion into the Indian territory had sparked the conflict. Indian armed forces had fought bravely to reclaim the territory.
Our salute to the heroes of Kargil, as many soldiers displayed extraordinary courage and patriotism, and their sacrifice will always be remembered.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School pay tribute to the national heroes who fought for our nation. Their bravery and their sacrifice inspires us to be patriotic. Kargil Vijay Diwas reminds us of the importance of national pride and unity. Let's honor the heroes who protected our country's sovereignty.